Hey guys, I'm doing new 2 of my update version of my world. Last time I was at year 19, now I'm at year 20. Pretty cool. Oh, forgot to put my pet back. Oopsies. I got some new mods too. That's why everything looks a bit different than last time. Oh, forgot to put my catalog back. Okay, to the beginning now. Let's go. As you can see, I changed everything. I really didn't like how everything looked. Here's my Dunamo anime. It's really cute. Yeah? I love it. Probably my favorite part right now. Is my Dunamo hut with my agent fruit. This cute little area and stuff. There's my piggies over there. And let's go to the updated versions of the town. They redid the mine area. I think it's way cuter than it was before. Pretty cool. And I did the dwarf this time. Because last time I forgot. Haha. And here's the koi. I really like how than it was before. I don't really care about mine anymore, so that's how it is now. Okay, here's the new beach. Life's a beach. Am I right? Haha. I added like a little sitting area near the campfire over there. And I actually decorated this part of the beach now. The tide pool area. No one goes over here except for whatever. Leo, so there's not much over there. Let's go visit Kobasi. I added like a little cute skull over there. The path looked kind of weird down here, but whatever. It used to be like the book path, but you know. Got Kobasi, so cute. I love him. What is that? Oh. Why did they change the real clothes? Okay. Anything else? Oh yeah, the Ginger Island, right? Yeah. Okay, let's go over there. Okay. Everything is about the same except for the farm area. Yeah, it's completely raw. I like this more than the restaurant idea that I had. This is way better. Like there's like a little bar over there. So cute. There's like a little pathway to the beach. It's adorable. I think that's about it though. I think everything is about the same. Anyways guys, thanks for watching.